Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys we'll be picking up a Mercedes. Okay, trying to get the crew in the video. Right there, we're picking a convertible guys for $375. Stay with us to see a Mercedes convertible, what we got ourselves into. Yep, let's see. Okay, right here you can see 375 plus the fees at Copart. So I'm a little bit curious to see what kind of piece of junk we got, so stay with us and let's check it out. Come on, honey. Hey guys, it's coming right here now. Let's check it out. I don't think it looks very good right now. Hey guys, let's drag it out of the trailer now and we see what we got. Alright guys, so check it out now. See, that's the damage. It's pretty bad. We're gonna take the tire off next episodes and stuff, but the shock is cut in two, missing. Incredible frame damage. That thing is not fixable at all, okay? For parts car, it's great. Because engine itself, $600-700, transmission is good, only 130,000 miles on it. The only thing that we will need is a belt, because when it got hit, okay, on this side it cut the belt, but everything else seems functioning. As you can see, new water pump, oil looks good, everything looks good, coolant is there. Okay, plenty of coolant, you can see it's not leaking at all, so that's great. Another thing, the hood is in great condition. Okay, check it out. Everything on the front is good. So the hood itself is about $400 on this one itself. Headlights can be polished, you know our method, and they will look like brand new. But let me show you how extensive the frame damage is on that thing. Okay, right here, the door is not lining up, as you can see. That's a gap. What happened? When it got hit on this side, it pushed everything this way. And if you look this way, the fender should be going straight, and it's actually curved, okay, like that, between the fender and the door, and it opened quite a bit of a gap. So the frame is done there. And inside, okay, you can see we have the wind deflector here. This thing alone, the wind deflector, is worth about $300 on eBay. You can check it out, spare tire, everything else. Here inside, it will need new interior. This one is not good at all. You can check it out. Seat and stuff is okay, but not perfect by any means. Okay, let me get this one here. You can see the dash even shifted to this side. So, but hey, it starts. We're going just to pull it a little bit with the SUV later. Okay, this one there. So we want to pull the tire this way a little bit and to the front, so we can just drive it in the yard and move it around. Okay, until we decide if we're gonna keep it as a parts car for a future project or just trying to resell it in another auction. So thank you guys for watching. Let us know what you think about the buy. $375, I think it's a hell of a deal. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.